Hey, I'm Ollie. I work at Hometree. I'm head of network operations here, and it's my job to make sure that we have enough engineers right across the UK to help our customers when they have problems. So the reason we decided to speak to Skedulo is because we wanted to introduce a new system that allowed us to schedule appointments for our customers for when they had a repair. And Skedulo felt like the best system out there at the time compared to some of the others that we looked at. And also being recommended by G2, which was another reason. So before we had Skedulo, we had lots of really manual processes, lots of spreadsheets. It was very difficult to keep track of things. Overall, just not really a very efficient way to operate. And we definitely couldn't have carried on doing it at scale. Of the Skedulo services that we've used, the most useful is the auto offer system, because it means that it makes us really efficient because we don't have to contact all of our engineers when we want to send them out work. The system does it for us automatically, so it makes us a leaner operation and more efficient. One of the big improvements since we worked with Skedulo was in our eNPS, which is how happy our network is. And we've had some great feedback since we introduced the app, and we've seen it really improve. So our network's a lot happier. Skedulo has helped me in my role because I now have more visibility with what's going on the day-to-day. The analytics package that it has is really helpful. After 2 weeks, we had insights as to how we're performing across a whole range of metrics, which is really helpful for us to manage the business on a day-to-day.